If you want to learn how to make this quick, foolproof homemade mayo, keep watching. Grab the jar that came with your stick blender or any mason jar of a similar size. Gently crack 1 egg into the jar, then add the Dijon mustard and your oil. Check the description box down below for the exact measurements. I personally always use a high quality oil, specifically a deodorized rapeseed oil, which is rich in healthy omega-3s. Make sure it's deodorized, otherwise the flavor can be too strong for this recipe. When you start blending, make sure to keep the stick blender firmly at the bottom for at least 10 seconds. Once the mayonnaise starts to thicken, gently move the blender up and down to fully combine all the ingredients. Then, season to taste. I like to add dried shallot, salt and pepper, but you do you. Give it one last stir. Pop it in the fridge where it will stay fresh for just under a week. Trust me, once you taste your own, you will never go back to store-bought. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy homemade recipes. And don't miss the next video where I will share my grandmother's secret tomato tart recipe. See you next time!